Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hey everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in an Aspiration bank account. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open your web browser and in the URL box, type in www.aspiration.com and press the enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Aspiration Bank. Now to log into your account, go and click on the sign in button in the upper right. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen. Start by entering your email address in the first text field. Make sure to type in a valid email address that is associated with the account. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your password. Once you type in your password, you can click on the login button. In case you don't remember your password and don't know what to do next, you can click on the link that says "Don't worry, we can help" right next to "Forgot your password." Click it on it and your email address in the text box one more time and click on Send Password Reset Email, and you'll be able to receive an instruction on your email address. Follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Sign Up Today link right below the login button and follow the instructions so that you can register yourself to a new account. After entering all the credentials, click on the login button to log into your account quick and easy. Aspiration is an American personal finance company based in Marina del Rey, California. That is how you can easily log into your Aspiration bank accounts quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment bar. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till